house lock the other side. We finished one side, so today we start the other side to do this roof replacement project. So what we're trying to do over here is we find 4 layer the shingle. We need to do the siding, the dormer. We need to do framing because we have junky garage system. We need to make new framing. We can put a similar garage. So I can do the other video after we finish house look this project. Do you looking for any professional service like a roofing, siding, garage, chimneys, like stairs, or do you need to have like any insurance claims for store damage or water damage? So you can contact us 973-573-6191. We serve all of North and Central New Jersey. Keep on watching. See you next video.